When planning the layout of the sheet, ensure joints do not fall too close to corners. A width over 300 mm will avoid the risk of misalignment when the next sheet is fitted. Prepare the first sheet accordingly, making sure the edges are clean and free from burrs. Once you have determined where the joint will fall, mark the line vertically on the wall. Then prime the substrate either side of the line and allow to tack dry. Apply the adhesive to the back of the sheet with a notched trowel. The adhesive should finish 30 mm from all edges that form part of the joint. Offer the sheet to the wall, ensuring the datum lines match up, and then push the sheet firmly to the substrate. Use a hand roller during this process, but don't roll to the edge of the sheet. Before setting up the joint, take the next sheet and dry fit this to the previous sheet to ensure the edges butt together. Secure 2 metal spacer bars against the edge which forms the joint. These should be positioned equally from the top and bottom. The spacer bars are engineered to create a precise gap for the Altro Whiterock Flexijoint profile. Apply tape to the area which has already been primed. Prepare the next sheet exactly the same as before, and this time only remove the protective cover from the double-sided tape on the running edge. For the moment, leave the protective cover on the tape at the butting edge. This will allow for adjustment for fitting the sheet up close to the spacer bars. Offer the sheet to the wall, ensuring the datum lines match up, and then push the sheet firmly to the substrate, making sure the sheets fix tightly to the spacer bars. Apply even pressure to the sheet to ensure the adhesive is transferred to the substrate. Once the running edge has been firmly fixed, remove the spacer bars from the butting edge and then ease up the sheet edge and pull up the remaining protective cover. Press firmly back down onto the tape and complete the hand rolling sequence. Ensure all edges are free from excess adhesive. Clean the joint with a cleaner primer and then apply a uniform bead of Parabond polymer sealant into the joint gap. While the sealant is wet, cut a suitable length of color-matching Altro Whiterock Flexijoint and then press this firmly into the joint gap. And then roll the Altro Whiterock Flexijoint profile with a small hand roller to fully bed down into the sealant. Cut off any surplus material. After the Altro Whiterock Flexijoint profiles have been fitted, remove film and clean the sheets. Apply Altro silicone sealant as required to all abutments and exposed edges.